I don't owe like a lot of people explanation, but you know me, I enjoy talking too much. I don't mind because I'm for the people. I don't really want to touch on what happened because people are still fuming, people are still angry, and I'm a human being. There's other insults that I cannot. I'm gonna be weak on them, so I'd rather just see them online, which is fine. Because if I can start talking about whatever happening today, you know, I'm gonna make more fire, whatever. But what matters is I saw how people were fuming and people are angry, and I don't blame anyone who's angry. Hence I issued the statement. So whoever want to know what happened at the show, whatever trending, they must go read my statement. I had no any intention to not attend the show. That's what I can say. You understand? It's just that because of it's me and the promoters maybe are not famous people, they will come for me. You understand? Which I can't stop it because I said I want to be a superstar, and that's the result of being a superstar. Today, people, they'll praise you. Tomorrow, people, they will be against you. But at the end of the day, they all love me. I know. One thing I know is people love me, and I appreciate. And I don't blame anyone who talk bad about me. It's because of they love me. Sometimes people, they talk bad about you because they want you to do the right thing, even though they don't know the whole full story. So I don't blame anyone who come for me. Say whatever I want to say. At the end of the day, I know it's coming from love. You understand? So I didn't sleep enough. I was not fine, you know. I was not happy about whatever happened to that show, to the show. And I don't blame maybe people who did that. And the other thing again, guys, that I can emphasize, let's as promoters, if things are not going well, let's not put more fuels to our fan because of now. To be honest with me, now I'm observing on that situation that happened to the show. Me as Ndibuza, not as Makhazi, looking at the thing, I think the promoters, they did I don't know, you know, sometimes when people they maybe they are frustrated, they end up, you know, you can't blame. But that thing of bringing Makhazi from Temu, I think that's the one who caused that's the one that caused problem. Because when I get the full information, it's not only me who didn't pitch. I'm not proud of not pitching, right? And I'm not proud of whatever happened. But it's not Makhazi who didn't pitch. A lot of people didn't pitch in that show. But I think people got upset when they bring Makhazi from Temu. Imagine. You understand? So let me not talk about too much about it. Like I said, I issued the statement. Fuck you. Oh, wow. How are you going to fuck me? Oh, my God. Don't say that. Okay. You understand? So I don't really want to get into details of that. I posted a statement. All I can say is I couldn't allow my day to be ruined to go do what I wanted to do, which is giving away food parcels because of a certain issue that is trending online. I kept my promise. Like I said that after my show, I'm going to give food parcels to 300 families, and I started today, and tomorrow I'm continuing. Like I said, the small profit that I got from my show, I'm buying food parcels like I promised. So today was my day one. Tomorrow I'm going to two different villages in the afternoon, and later on I'll be performing at Makarapa Day and Western at Yellow, and then 29, I think I'm going to Velcom. Yeah, 29, I'm going to Velcom. 31, and the kwa Max. I stayed on that December. The one that actually ndoima haguzwa banana. And then 1 December, I will be with at Poriland. So all these shows, they are confirmed, guys. Like I said, all the shows that are confirmed, I post them online. There are also someone who said, why did you inform your fans that you can't come? I did posted that were confirmed online. You understand? For you, if you follow, you're gonna see that there is a poster that is missing. But I don't want really to talk about that. Like I said, I issued the statement because at the end of the day, the aim was not to disappoint the fans. The aim was not to let whatever happened happen. It's unfortunate it happened, and I'm gonna sit down with the promoters and see how we're gonna deal with this, you know, because I'm going to be dealing with this for my fans who bought tickets. You understand? But if you can go and read my statement, you will understand that every business have their own rules, how they work and everything. And every business must be respected according to their rules. You understand? So, yeah, that's not the topic for today. That's not the topic for today. Let me go fix my hair and bath, because I haven't bathed. For sure, even the elders, they're like, hey, this girl, she's smelling. She doesn't bath. They didn't know that I was gushing. I was crying the whole day because, wow, what happened? Like, it was a shock for me as well, Yeah, but, yeah. You understand? So, guys, again, before I forget, guys, remember I promised you that I'm going to have a documentary about my BET. It was supposed to be on a BET channel and it ended up not there. So I decided to stop it because I had a dream of combining all in one. From winning a BET, hosting one women's show, and it's like to be one thing, you understand? And I'm just glad that God answered my prayer. Everything went well. People came to support. I appreciate your love and support, guys. It was raining, but you're like, you know what? Us, we are going there no matter what. Yeah, that was a real love. If people, they don't know real love, I know the real love. I witnessed it by myself on that day on my show. Like, people came through, guys. They came support. They came, it was raining. They came and show love. So I'm going to have a documentary, guys, about everything. I think now everything is ready. And please tell all these channels that Makhazi is selling. It's selling her documentary now. She's saying it's ready. Whoever comes first, I'm selling it to them. It's not a secret. I'm selling it. I have a full content for my people that they need to know. And also on that content, the only thing that is left, that is important, is a story time about my show. Because I was capturing a lot of moments before the show and after the show. I have them. I have a lot of things. I have a lot of, and I'm too real. I can sell fake things to you. I don't fake myself. I'm real to you. Even though some other people, they always say I'm not professional. I'm like, everyone born professional in their own way. People, they must get what they see. That's how I believe in this life. Once you sell fake life to people, you're going to create a depression for yourself because you believe in fake life. I'm not one of those. So whoever, please go tell them that I'm selling full. I don't know if I'm going to call it a reality show of Makhazi or documentary, but that one is a documentary. Yeah, even though I don't know English, but that one I understand. It's a documentary. Please go tell them that. Someone is saying you are not alcohol. We can't love you all. So you guys, you love alcohol but than anything. Okay, I'm sorry. So guys, the main point now is I have documentary full waiting. I'm selling it, but I'm gonna bid. Please tell them that the documentary is ready. The only left on that documentary, which is very much important, guys, which I didn't want to talk about it because I didn't want to mix a lot of things same time. I'm gonna have to go and call my camera crew to come and shoot me a story time. I don't want to lie to people. I want to take you through now what happened on the day of the event, of my event. It was not easy. At some point, there are people that also stole the tickets. Also, there are people that I believe that they love me. They are there to support me. They were there to steal for me. You understand? So a lot happened on that day, guys. I'm glad that God made sure that I sell more tickets online. To be honest with you, people who bought tickets online, computer ticket, I really appreciate you guys. Because of you made my dream come true. At least I didn't run a loss. I didn't even run a zero loss at all. To be honest with you, I didn't run a loss because of your love and you are so faithful, following the link, buying tickets online and everything. What you did, to be honest with you, it was God plan. You really saved my show. Because what I found out on the day of the show, it was crazy. People that I believe that they were there to help me, they were also stealing from me. But that one, guys, is a story time for another day that I'm going to shoot, that you're going to get it on my documentary. There are people that I want to, not really to expose, but for people to know what I am for the people, guys. I'm for the people. I must tell the truth. I must live with the truth. And I'm not saying I'm 100% perfect. I'm a human being. You understand? So, guys, I owe you story time for my show. What happened on the show? There are people that were working with me that wanted me to fail, that wanted to mess up my show, that were stealing that stole ticket and also try to sell them by the corners. Myself, God sent me and said, please pass by here. When I passed by there, I found them. I took a lot of ticket from them. I'm like, God, thank you so much. Imagine if I didn't pass by this side, I was gonna be busy here performing Kanti. People that I call my brothers, they are busy stealing from me. But that one, you're gonna hear full story when I drop my documentary. Please go approach any channel that you believe, that you trust, that you feel like you enjoy watching all those documentaries and reality shows from, and tell them that Makhazi, she's ready. She have a full content of about her journey until One Human Show, BET, everything in my life, everything Mujolo. I didn't filter anything. I'm ready, guys. I love you so much, guys. Away. And before I can end the live, I posted a statement, like I said, about whatever's trending. Please go read that statement. But that statement does not mean that it must heal people who were hurt by not seeing me, not coming there. I really want to apologize from the bottom of my heart. I didn't know that the promoters, for them to not fulfill the agreement that we made with them, it will hurt you to that extent. I'm not proud of the action that we done there. I'm not proud of anything. I'm very much sorry from the bottom of my heart. I wish if I was going to cut myself and do a lot of things by myself. It's unfortunate. Some of the things, they need a team, and sometimes a team can fail you, and then we learn by mistake. I'm really sorry from the bottom of my heart. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. So I'm not going to reveal the village that I'm going to visit tomorrow. I will still go live. I will still ask them if they are comfortable for me going live when I'm giving away food, parcel, so they can enjoy their new year. If they say yes, I'm gonna still shoot. For those who feel like I'm shooting to show off, it's not okay. Please rest, or please go by and give them the way you want to give them. This is the profit from my fans that they gave me to my show. I'm using it to buy food parcels and give them away to my people, and they're happy. I'm happy. Now I'm gonna go bath and go enjoy like you guys and enjoy my December. The most thing that makes me to be happy is when I see people smiling the way they were smiling. It makes me feel good. I know today I'm not going to eat alone. Every people just pay the refund. Refund for what? Because like I said, I didn't get the balance. What are you talking about with the fake account, guys? I'm not in a mood, please. I'm not in a mood. Yeah. Guys, bye-bye. Thank you so much. I love you so much. I'm going to be okay. I'm going to bath now. I'm happy. I did what I promised, and I did what my heart wanted to do, and that's what matters, which is giving away food parcels, and I've done it today. I love you so much, guys. Have a good night.